All right, so as I'm making the videos for y'all to, yep, that's me, my goal. Man, people just driving crazy out here. But as I'm making the videos for y'all, putting it together and stuff, I'm watching it. I'm like, yo, this joint is boring. Like, this is boring. So, what I did, I'm gonna break it down a little bit, all right? Make it real nice and easy. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. So the bike was having issues with the traction control and stuff. I found the plug. Here's a clip. Wheel detects the rotation. Was not plugged in. The rear one was, and that's why I was confused. But here I noticed this guy here, which needs to be plugged in, and the connection was up here to your right, attached along with your headlight wires and stuff. So I'm gonna plug that in, and yeah, I think that's gonna fix my problem. Oh, if you can see it, yeah, there it is. I'm gonna plug that in and see if it fixed my problem. I'll probably cut a couple blocks tonight just to make sure it doesn't turn back on, and just see how it feels. So yeah, she's coming together, folks. She's coming together. This coolant line is good. It's here. All right, you watched the clip. Bam, simple as it. Man, like all this stuff was dragging on. It was born for me to watch, and I was born for you to watch. Let me know if you wasn't bored of that little clip, and I will fill it up with just them boring behind clips that y'all like, if y'all like it. Yeah, I know, we all over the place. Daytime, nighttime, time traveling over here. That's what we're doing. But the bike also has a K&N air filter. Got that put on. Here's the clip. All right, let's get this out of here. Whew. Probably gonna notice the difference a lot. I think so. We'll see. Sunlight is hawking me down. Got that good old breather. I'm gonna put this in. I'm not even about to mess with this camera too much more for y'all. My bad. I'm sorry. If you want a tutorial, drop it in the comment, and I'll take it all the way apart and put it back together just for whoever drop it in the comment. This here is really tight, so I'm gonna take off the air box and re-loop this hose because it's sitting on top of like connectors and stuff in the wire harness, so it's just super tight. So I'm gonna get that squared away, and probably another day later. But I'm gonna get it all kind of put back together and start slapping some of these plastics back on. I'm also gonna rewire this. It's on there kind of weird. Take it off and put it back in there. Just put this on. Pretty nifty. Kind of matches a little bit, but yeah, air filters in. This back here is on the bike, so it looks like a bike now, not a complete piece of trash. Yeah, getting this thing right now. Oh, you hear the bikes on the highway. Alright, she's not perfect, but she's all mine. Slowly but surely, one day at a time. Probably need 2 hands for this, but there she goes. Yeah, slowly but surely. The bike is coming together, so you got the like boring bits out of it. The bike's coming together, and yeah. Oh, look at it. Look. Hey, that joint tough. But yeah, bike's there. It's pretty good. New tires for it. I am rocking. Excuse me, that's bad. New tires for the bike. I'm rocking the Michelin RS's. I love those. The tires are, I mean, they're good. Had it out at night, doing some little cornering and stuff, and they're good. They're holding up well. Yeah, so stay tuned for more content. Hope you enjoyed the short bits of... Hope you enjoyed the little bits and clips and stuff. My sunglasses looking weird. And yeah, if you haven't already, just go ahead and subscribe. Drop a comment of what you want to see. We got the bikes. We got the cars. We got this. We got that. We ain't got no boats and planes yet. But, you know, we got a little something for you. So let me know what you want to see. As far as what kind of modifications you want me to lean towards. And this, you know. See you in the next video, guys. Peace.